Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete your Instagram account from another device. So, if you think someone else is accessing your Instagram account, maybe because you mistakenly used their device and forgot to sign out of your Instagram, you can remotely remove your Instagram account from any other devices. So basically here, what you're going to learn is how to remove Instagram account from another device. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you need to do basically to remove your Instagram account from another device is go ahead and open the Instagram app. So this could be on Android, could be on iPhone. Once open it, click on your profile icon at the bottom right where you see switch account display by holding. This is going to take you to your Instagram profile page. On the Instagram profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right. Now, wait on the settings and activity page opens. Once it opens, click on the account center. Now, on your account center, you want to go to account settings. And under account settings, click on security and password or password and security. Now here, come to security checks and click on where you are logged in. So this is where you are logged in on your Instagram account. Then go ahead and select any option you have here. Here you can see I have my Facebook and then I have my Instagram. So click on the Instagram. Now you should see where you are logged in. Now to remove your Instagram account from another device, locate the device you do not recognize here. Click on it. Then once you clicked on it, you should see logout. Go ahead and click on logout. Then you should see are you sure you no longer be logged in on the selected device. So go ahead and hit logout, and that is it. So this is going to log you out of your Instagram account on the selected device. Then you can repeat this on all other devices you have on the page that you cannot recognize. So that is basically all you need to do to remove your Instagram account from another device. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.